Our last video ended with the sort, step 5. So now on step 6, we are to repeat the field names on all pages. So we go to page layout, print titles, and in print titles, rows to repeat at top, go ahead and collapse and select row 1 and then expand and then click OK. And then step 7 says to change page breaks so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page. So starting with selecting row 34 where Chevy Malibu starts, we'll go to still on the page layout tab, we'll go to brakes and insert page break, and we'll continue down to where we have the next make, selecting Ford, row 46, go to brakes and insert page break. And we go down and we come to, after Ford, Honda, which starts on row 69, selecting row 69, break, insert page break. After Honda is Toyota, starting on row 90, go to brakes, insert page break. And Toyota was the last one, so we can now do a save, taking us through step 7. On step 8, add a footer with your name on the left side, the sheet name in the center, and the file name code on the right side. So we can go still on page layout tab in the page setup, click on the diagonal facing arrow to bring up the page setup window, and click on the header footer tab, select custom footer, and then type your name in the left section. In the center section, select the icon third from the right, which is insert sheet name, and then tab. That'll put us over here on the right section, and then select the fourth from the right, insert file name icon. So you have you have your name. In the center section you have the sheet name, and in the right section you have the file name. And go ahead and click OK, and we'll go ahead and go file. And then OK again. Okay. And on step 9 it says go to the sales information worksheet and convert the data to a table, changing the name to sales, and apply table style dark 11. So similar to our step earlier, except this time we're going to go to sales information, click on that tab, click anywhere in the data so that you have the table information selected, and click on your insert tab and select table. It should show A1 through D30 and check mark my table as headers. Click OK, and that should put us in the design tab, and over on the left, table name, we want to change that to sales with a capital S. And then in the table styles group, go to your more and we want dark 11. So dark table style dark 11. And after step 9, we'll go ahead and go File and Save. And we'll go to E1 because the next step it wants us to do is type % of sticker in cell E1. So click in E1, % space of space sticker, and that's all lowercase, and then enter. Then they want you to do a formula in E2, starting with the equal sign, then click on D2, the divide sign, and then click on cell C2. This will calculate the percentage. Okay, so D2 over C2. So we go to E2, equal sign, click in D2, divide sign, and then click in C2, and then use the control key and hit enter. Using the control enter, that keeps you in the cell that you were working in. And then they want you to format E2 through E30 with % style number format. So this will be the last step on this video. So selecting E2 all the way down to E30, and then click on the %. Go to File and Save. Okay, we'll continue the next video with step 13 through the finish.